What's up, YouTube? It's Kenny again. Make a little update for you. All right, I made the first of what could be a series of moves, okay? I know you guys have been paying attention to the last couple of Real Talk videos. So I wanted to update you and let you know what I've done and what my plan is, okay? So, first of all, let me just say, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a truck driver driving across the country researching and trading stocks, and I will not be held responsible for any moves you make in the stock market. Not ever. I am not your mama, all right? Do your own research. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave me a comment with win or lose today. Leave me a comment. Let me know if I'm going to win or lose this move that I'm going to make, okay? So, I went through my Roth IRA and I assessed things and decided what I wanted to sell to free up cash, okay? And what I did was I sold my entire position in Tesla. The reason I chose Tesla is because when I looked at everything, I have lost the least money on that position, percentage-wise and dollar amount. Well, maybe not dollar amount, but percentage-wise, I had lost the least amount on that position, and the position is large enough so that it's going to free up enough cash for me to do a swing trade, all right? So the sale of Tesla, I lost about 18%, a little more than 18%, and it frees up about $2,600. I now have about $2,600 to play with, all right? For now, I'm going to stick with that. I'm going to execute at least the one swing trade that I'm going to talk about in a moment. Do not follow me. If you choose to follow me, that's on you. Okay? I'm not your mama. I am doing this to try to recoup some of these losses that I've made. I needed to free up some cash and try to make some moves, all right? So this $2,600 is going to allow me to execute a swing trade. The stock that I have decided to swing, most likely, unless something really changes in the morning, is Cinemark, the movie theater. Ticker symbol is CNK. Again, do not follow me just because I'm saying this, all right? If you decide you want to follow me, that's on you, all right? So Cinemark is a stock that I've made money on in the past, okay? And I'm looking at it over the last few weeks, like looking back at the chart, and I'm seeing it do what I like to see, up and down, $20, $22, $21, $23, $20, $22. Okay, that's what I like to see for a swing trade. Now, Cinemark releases earnings in the morning. The last 2 days they've been selling off. They're down around $20, all right? Now, what I'm hoping to see is in the morning for them to drop further in the pre-market because earnings is coming, all right? I'm looking for it to sell off more. If it does not sell off more, I am most likely still going to buy the maximum amount I can buy with the cash I have on hand. Selling Tesla tonight was a product of me seeing that these earnings are coming, and the fact that if I sell it on today, then I can use the money on tomorrow with unsettled funds. It's just kind of the way it works with Fidelity. Now, be advised, if you do decide to follow me, just be advised that what I'm doing is tax-free because I'm doing it in a Roth IRA. So there are no tax implications of me selling the Tesla or buying the Cinemark and selling it higher. There are no tax implications for me. So if you do not trade in a Roth IRA or in some kind of a tax advantaged account, then just be aware, tax man gonna come knocking, okay? But this is the play that I've decided on. Like I said, unless something changes and it shoots up in the morning, which I don't anticipate, I think that it's probably going to drop some more in the morning. I'm going to look for it to get into oversold territory. I hope it drops down in the 18s. But even if it doesn't, I'm most likely, if it stays in this $20 range, I'm going to buy some. probably 120, 130 shares, depending on how low it goes. What that means is, then I'm going to hold that stock maybe a couple days, maybe a couple weeks, however long it takes for it to come back up in that 22 area. So the goal is for me to get a $2 swing. If I buy 130 shares and I get a $2 swing, that's a $260 profit, which is not quite, but approaching pretty close to half of what I have lost on Tesla. If I can do that, I'm starting to stair step and recoup my losses, and that's the goal. All right. Now, looking at the earnings from last quarter, Cinemark beat on revenue and they missed on EPS. All right. So, and in the current climate of the stock market, even if they beat on earnings, it could still go down some before it starts gaining some steam. But looking back on it, and even looking way forward, like if I was to get stuck in it, it's a recovery stock. So sooner or later, it is definitely going to come back up. That's why I was trading it months ago and made a bunch of money on it several times. So that's the plan, okay? That's the strategy. I want you to let me know down in the comments. Just leave you can make a comment, but leave win or lose. Am I going to win or am I going to lose on this trade? Okay? What do you think? Place your bets, all right? Because I got to get back to me doing me, and this is going to allow me to start doing that. So that's what it is. Cinemark for the swing trade, and we're going to be looking for it to drop in the morning, hopefully. Man, I hope I can catch it in the 18s, but if not, I will buy it at or a little bit above 20. So we're going to see what happens. Place your bets. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and join the fucking Patreon. Thanks for watching.